The power of small things. Anna loves theatre. One day, she goes to a play in a small theatre. It is a modern play about family. After the play, there is a short reading of poetry by a young writer. The words feel powerful. Anna feels happy and excited. On her way home, Anna stops at a cafe. She sits at a small table. She puts her purse on the chair. She orders a coffee and a cake. The waiter brings them and a receipt. Anna pays and keeps the receipt in her purse. Suddenly, Anna hears her phone ring. It is her friend Maria. "Hi, Anna. Are you coming to the record shop tonight?" asks Maria. Anna smiles. "Yes, I want to record my favorite song," she says. Maria and Anna plan to go to a local music shop. They love old records. They want to play the records at a small party. At home, Anna puts her purse on the sofa. She takes out the cafe receipt and her keys. She also takes a small wooden box. In the box, she has her mother's old ring, a ring for her finger. The ring is silver and simple. It is very special to Anna. Anna checks her bag. She needs a pair of scissors too. She cuts a small strip of paper to make a label for the record. She writes "My Song" on the label with a pen. Anna locks the door and feels safe. She walks to the music shop. On the way, she carries her purse on her arm. She feels warm air and hears children playing in the park. At the record shop, Maria waits at the door. Maria holds 2 vinyl records. They smile and hug. Inside, the shop is dark but cozy. Old records cover the walls. A friendly man works at the counter. He has thick glasses and white hair. Anna and Maria ask to record a short song. The man plays a record on an old machine. The music is clear and strong. It feels powerful again. After the recording, Anna and Maria buy 2 records each. Anna pays with cash. She asks for the receipt. The woman at the counter gives her a small paper. Anna puts it in her purse. Maria checks her watch. "Let's go for a walk and listen," she says. They leave the shop and walk through the park. They stop on a bench. Maria opens her bag and takes out her phone. She plays the record they just bought. The soft music flows. Anna closes her eyes and listens. After a few minutes, Anna stands up. She puts the record back in its sleeve. She looks down at her purse. It is open. Her hand feels inside. She does not see her mother's ring. Anna's heart beats fast. "Maria, I have lost my ring," Anna says quietly. Maria is worried. "Let's go back to the shop," she says. "Maybe you dropped it there." They hurry back. At the shop, Anna asks the man at the counter, "Did you find a ring?" He shakes his head. "No, I'm sorry. But you can check the floor." Anna and Maria look around. They check near the counter, near the shelves, near the chair. No ring. Anna feels sad. Maria puts a hand on Anna's shoulder. "Don't worry. Let's find it outside." They walk back to the park bench. Anna walks slowly and watches the grass. Suddenly, she sees something shiny near the bench leg. She bends down and picks it up. It is her mother's silver ring. Anna's face lights up. "I found it," she says, and she holds the ring close. She feels safe and happy. They decide to celebrate. Maria takes out a small chocolate bar from her bag. She also takes the scissors and cuts the wrapper in 2 so they can share it. Anna laughs. She gives Maria half the chocolate. Then she puts the wrapper and the receipt for the records in her purse. She fastens the purse strap so it is closed. They walk home together. Anna wears her mother's ring again. She feels strong and lucky. She thinks about the powerful words of the poetry and the music from the old record. It was a good day. At home, Anna sits at her desk. She writes a short poem about her day. She writes a play, a song, a powerful heart, A lost ring found, a brand new start. She reads it again and smiles. She knows she will record this poem one day too. Finally, Anna turns off the light. She puts her purse and records in a safe box by her bed. She goes to sleep with a happy heart. Target words review, play. Poetry. Powerful. Purse. Receipt. Record. Ring. Ring. Safe. Scissors.